Wizard59, and today I'm going to show you how to make honeycomb shelves. For this project, I'll be using one 1x4x8 pine wood. Now you want to make a stop block so you can cut to the right length every time. And you do so is take your board, now that you've cut it, flip it over, butt it up against your stop block, and now we're ready to cut. Just remember, every time now that we've cut it, we just have to flip it, put it to our stop block, cut, and flip. All the nail holes. Then I took my orbital sander with 320 grit sandpaper and sanded all the sides. Then I used 400 grit sandpaper and sanded by hand all the faces and all the edges nice and smooth. For staining, I'm just using a small brush to get on the inside first. Then I do the bottom half, and then I go ahead and do the outer ring, and now I'm just ready to do the last top and side pieces here. For applying your clear coat, you want to start off with the inside first, then the outside, and then the edges. Once you have applied 3 coats and it's fully dry, now you can flip it over and you're ready to do the bottom. Now I'm going to go ahead and let this dry and apply 3 coats as well. For the back, I added sawtooth hangers and I added screws instead of nails because the screws are a lot stronger. All you gotta do is hang the shelves on the wall and put your favorite items on display. Thanks for checking out this video. All links are in the description below for this video. Definitely subscribe for more videos just like this. Don't forget to share this video and post your comments below. Some of the best tips and feedback come from you. Thanks for watching.